If you are thinking of selling your house, this is something you need to do. I'll tell you what, I've got a 3-car garage with drive-through to the back. If you're like me, a few extra toys in the back, perfect. Hello people, welcome to vlog 3. Let's come in. What do you guys think about last 2 vlogs? Do you guys like it? Put in so much work, as I said on the last vlog. Today's vlog is pretty much a property tour. This brand new house is coming to market tomorrow, probably the same time this vlog comes up. Look at it, how beautiful it is. I hope you guys enjoy seeing nice properties in the vlog. So this is not really a standard property video, you see, it's a bit more of a... Oh, how do I open this? Oh yeah, there we go. Pantry, nicely done, look at that. Isn't that pretty cool? It is pretty cool, I want to take that to my house. We got 4 bedrooms, 1 living, 2 bi-sliders there, and another bi-slider in the master. Master ensuite. I'll tell you what, I've got a 3-car garage with drive-through to the back. If you're like me, a few extra toys in the back, perfect. Look at that. Does it get any better? After a long day at work, can't beat this, can ya? This is 6 o'clock. I'm still here. I'm so tired, so I don't really want to get out of this bed. Love it. This is my day, man. I love it. 3rd bedroom. All 4 bedrooms are pretty good size. Sometimes on the new properties like this, you see, 3x3, 3x2.9 bedrooms. That's so small, but all 4 bedrooms in here is generous size. Let's show you master. It's a master. That's a slider. Goes to the, obviously, to the patio. Walk-through wardrobe, big enough. I like walk-through wardrobe more than walk-in wardrobe. The beauty of this is, after the shower, you don't have to go around. You just need to come in, get changed, boom, go. Glass partition in the shower with no door is always my go-to. This is what I'm doing in my place as well. This property is built by Trent. Trent is one of my main clients now. Mark's friend. Obviously, you know who is Mark. If you watched vlog 2, you know who is Mark. If you hasn't watched vlog 2, go and watch it now, so you know who is Mark. Mark built this property for Trent, but Trent is selling it now. It's one of his spec homes. And I'm selling 3 properties for Trent. 1 across the road, it's under construction. I don't sell it until it's finished. And 1 hasn't started yet. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? If you are thinking of selling your house, this is something you need to do. Presentation. This property is staged. If you got a vacant property, your rental property, tenants just moved out, you want to sell it, make sure you spend that $1,500 to stage it. Look at the difference. And just imagine me trying to sell this house without any of these furnitures. It looks like a blank canvas. People, not everyone can visualize, what they can do, but $1,500 to do this furniture staging. Definitely worth it. Do it. If your property is vacant, do it. If you got old furniture, put it in the garage, stage it before you put it to the market. Do nice photos. I'm here 6 o'clock to do some night shots. I don't have to, but presentation matters. So make sure you ask your agent to do that. Hire someone who goes that extra mile, like I always say. Nice wooden featuring, good bench top. It's laminate, but it looks like engineered stone. It's very close to engineered stone. You can't really tell the difference, but it is not engineered stone, which is good. Look at that, extra LED lighting strip under the bench. It's too dark, otherwise I would have shown you the other property across the road I'm selling. Study nook, good design. Nah, nothing in it, it's just staged. That's it for vlog 3, guys. I'll see you on vlog 4. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.